did she run from me? How? If I should lose her, who shall I regain the heart she has won from me? Agony beyond the power of speech, when the one thing you wish is the only thing out of your reach. High in the tower, she sits by the hour, retaining her hair. The line and the coming, and frequently humming a light-hearted air. Agony, far more painful than yours. She would go with you if there only were doors. Agony, oh, the torture they teach. What's so intriguing or half so fatiguing as what's out of reach? Am I not sensitive, clever, well-mannered, considerate, passionate, charming, as kind as I'm handsome, and heir to a throne? Or everything maidens could wish for? Then why no? I know the girl must be mad. You know nothing of madness till you're climbing her hair and you see her up there as you're nearing her, all while hearing her agony, misery. Oh, it's different for me. Always 10 steps behind, always 10 feet below, and she's just out of reach. Agony that can cut like a knife.